All right, well, this is one of those times for me personally when I am super happy with how something turned out. Just never know about the fabrication process, but I really love the way that filled up that space down. I used to have a big gap from the bottom of the swing arm down, and it just looked so out of place, so out of balance. So it's a sweet day when you figure something out, or you think you do, put it all together, it actually accomplishes what you want it to accomplish, and it actually ends up looking pretty cool. This was a double-lined pipe, as you can see there, and I really love the different oval eyeball effects that you get out of each pipe because of where they were cut differently on radiuses. I like it. It's totally unique. I've never seen it before, and I'm going to leave it. I think it's gorgeous. So it's pretty cool the way they change, and they're not symmetrical. I just really don't do symmetrical. You guys know that by now. But really happy. Filled up the space. Looks pretty cool. It's unique. Let's see what this bad boy sounds like.